Welcome back to the Amazon KDP Keyword Research Series. In our previous videos, we explored KDP keyword research strategies using Amazon Auto-Suggestion and Google. But today we are diving into a hidden gem that no one talks about, the customer reviews of our competitors' products. Let's get started. Customers love learning from each other and sharing feedback within the Amazon community. They want to hear from people who have spent their own money, got the product, and used it. In addition to the customers, customer reviews are equally crucial for Amazon sellers and KDP publishers. Why? Because customer reviews can help you develop your next top-rated product, improve existing ones, and even uncover alternative keywords that may not have crossed your mind previously. Let me give you an example. Imagine we are searching for one of the keywords we discovered in our previous videos. Let's say graph paper notebook 8.5 by 11. Now, if you want to find relevant keywords within customer reviews, it's better to check products with higher customer ratings. These are usually the ones that appear at the top of the search results. As you can see, these ones are FBA books. We can check one of them later, but first, let's find and take a look at the KDP book. Let's check this one. It is one of the best-selling KDP books for the search term graph paper notebook 8.5 by 11. If you scroll down to the customer review section of the page, you will notice that Amazon has filtered some frequently used keywords in the customer reviews. You can add related keywords to your title and subtitle. For instance, consider using the term grit. If you click on this box, you will see that some customers refer to this product as grit paper. Before purchasing this product, instead of searching graph paper notebook on Amazon, probably they search for grit paper notebook. If you check the title and subtitle of this book, you will see that the author used grit paper notebook in the subtitle. By the way, it is not a good subtitle example because there are unnecessary repetitive terms and phrases in the subtitle fields. Normally, this is not allowed, but it is an old listing. However, you should be careful about this kind of mistakes to keep your account safe. Anyway, in addition to these keywords, I recommend that you take the time to read all of the reviews. I understand it's a bit time consuming, but it is essential. By doing so, you will gain insights into how customers describe the book. You might even discover unexpected keyword options that hadn't crossed your mind before. Furthermore, this approach allows you to assess both the strengths and weaknesses of your competitor's book. This will inspire the ideas to improve your book beyond your competitors. I don't know if you have seen it or not, but Amazon has improved the customer reviews experience with generative AI. You can see this feature on some product pages, especially those with higher customer reviews. Let me show you an example. As you can see here, there's a short AI-generated paragraph from the text of customer reviews right on the product detail page. It highlights the product features and customer sentiment frequently mentioned across written reviews, helping customers determine at a glance whether a product is right for them. For example, here generative AI says about this book that customers like the quality, value, matte and appearance of the notebook. They mentioned that the paper holds up well, it's good for school, especially matte, and the grid lines are a little too dark. They are also happy with the ink and delivery. Others, however, are not happy with the colors and that they didn't come in the colors shown. Opinions are mixed on the thickness. As you can see, it provides us with valuable insight that some customers bought this notebook for matte. That's why you can use the keyword matte in your title or subtitle as well as in your description and A+ content. If you examine the listing of this book, you will notice that the seller used the keywords mathematics in the product description and math in its A+ content. As I mentioned earlier regarding the previous products, I recommend that you carefully read all the reviews even if there is an AI-generated paragraph from the text of the customer reviews. Doing so will allow you to discover new low competition keywords. In my upcoming Amazon KDP keyword research tutorial videos, I will share even more free methods that others don't talk about. If you are serious about mastering keyword research, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. You will be the first to know when I release a new video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.